Hey y'all, so we're going to be doing an easy 2-loop bow, and when I say easy, I mean easy. It's similar to the mini bow, except that it's all one piece, and so we're going to scroll down and get you started. So what's super easy about this is that it really doesn't require a bow maker. It really is one of the simplest bows there is. Okay, so you want let's do a 36-inch piece, so a whole yard. I dovetailed the ends. Now, what you do with this is you're going to crisscross your tails just like this. You see how you have a loop up here? You're just going to take this and you're going to set it down right on top and pinch in the middle. Okay. And there's many ways you can do this. You can make the tails longer. So if you want to make the tails longer, you just kind of need it up closer at the top. You're just going to pinch it just like this. Okay. I'll take a little tiny piece of wire and just tack it together. I just want to keep it from coming apart. Just like that. Okay. That wasn't big enough. Hold on. There we go. You just take your little piece right over, just like that. Now all you're going to do, and this is about a 5-inch loop. So we would need about 12 inches to make another one. And as you can see, you don't have to twist anything, so all of your wording is going to be perfect. Now you can take your second one. You want to overlap it about 1 inch. And then you're just going to put it right in the middle, just like that. Okay. You can also do, so I said 2-loop bow, but you can actually add others. So if you wanted to do a little white and black in the middle, before we put that small one on, we would take about 22 inches, fold that over a good inch, push it down right on top, just like this. And then we could put this one on top, just like that. And then I would take a zip tie. Now, if I needed to hold these while I'm getting a zip tie, I can take my little deck of mesh tool and I could just put all 3 in there while I go get my zip tie. And I could get my zip tie, pull it out, get my zip tie on, okay, just kind of arrange them. And it's that simple. You can see how cute this is. Okay, so in the middle, I'm going to want to cover that because you can see that zip tie. I can also pull my ribbons out separately so that I can see them separately. And I'll still be able to see that Merry Christmas. Might be better if we do it this way. Let's do it this way. There we go. Then we can see our Merry Christmas a little better. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna put a little piece there to cover that. Cut off that wire we used. We can also go ahead and get our pipe cleaner here. So all I'm gonna need is a piece of this. I don't need a whole bunch, I just need a little piece. Okay. So just take it, tie it around. Just like that. Whoops, this didn't get under there. Let's put this under. There we go. There we go. Let's fix that. That. All right. And there we go. Looks like I pulled that out. There we go. All right. And that's it. This is the simplest bow on the planet, but super cute. You can see how cute this is. And it's so easy to make. All right. Pull you up so you can see it a little better. This is literally like a 2-minute bow. All right, I'll see y'all for the next one.